arrange all this stuff according to how it came off. That way it can go back on exactly the way it came off. And this here is bare. So next part is to get this the rest of the way off and put the new one on, and we'll get the line worried about. These bolts get reused right here. And that's a dead one. So now, we have this hole. Doesn't need a gasket or anything. You threw it? In my video.
Well, how's the verdict now?
I'm almost done. I need somebody to give me video camera help if you would.
I got it.
It's recording right now, actually.
Okay.
Let's put the new one on here. The old one off. I do have to replace the line.
Okay.
That son bitch was just broke. Bad.
At least we figured out.
Yep.
Got it. Okay. Nice new wheel cylinder for it.
Yep. Like I said, I kept these back here so that I wouldn't lose them. I was videotaping from underneath here and everything. I had the camera all up underneath here and on the wrench area. I blurred the frick out for a while.
Too close, I suppose.
Right.
There's going to be a lot of this. I'm going to pause for you for a second. You're on.
So here's the frickin' crappy unit. And the old crappy brake line there. Here's the new unit. I'm going to throw this brake assembly back together real quick. Maybe come from over here if you can. That way I can see I had it up on this thing here and I don't know how well I got it. So that was during this assembly. One of the emphasis ones I wanted to point things out on is these things. These things are a pain in the ass, and they hold the brake shoe on each side. They come from the back, and they have an end on them that only goes one way, and then when you turn it, it locks it in and allows it to stop and stay right there. Well, to grab onto that with a pair of pliers and push in and turn looks easy, like that. But when it's on the unit,
I got the tools.
it's a little bit different. Yeah, I know, I've seen the tools that are made for it. The only thing that really sucks is that one part's broke. That wasn't broke on the other side, you know?
Yeah, that tensioner thing.
Yeah, that sucks ass. So, clean some of this gunk off a little bit too.
Okay, I'm going to pause again here.
You always gotta make sure you got these fuckers the right way, otherwise you're kinda screwed.
You do what you gotta do. I'll deal with this.
twisted it with my fingers in front and spun it with the other one.
Awesome.
That worked. Oh, I need to put this piece in. So, this can go here. See? And this can go in here. So you can go in those parts. Supposed to pull. Just leave it in there, I guess. That way it's got the original parts. Oh boy, forgot to. Okay, needs to go down again. Hey, don't slip, man. Bastard.
You're the first person I've ever seen use that method.
It works.
Screwdriver was much easier.
Yeah, I've tried that too and had them fly up and hit me in the face.
Well, yeah.
That
Well,
hurts.
if you get them on the first time.
Yeah, well, it doesn't always happen.
Let the attack begin.